Did you know that many people take daily supplements? It's true. From vitamins and minerals to herbal extracts and protein powders, the market is flooded with options. But there's a lot of confusion about these products. Do they really work? Are they safe? With so many choices, it's hard to know which ones are beneficial and which might be a waste of money or even harmful. It's important to understand both the potential benefits and the risks. Some supplements can provide essential nutrients that might be missing from your diet, while others could interact negatively with medications or have side effects. Supplements can be confusing and it's easy to get overwhelmed. The sheer number of products, each claiming to be the best, can make it difficult to choose the right one for your needs. This essay will explore the world of health supplements. We'll delve into the science behind them, examining studies and expert opinions to separate fact from fiction. We'll look at what the science says. Are these supplements backed by solid research, or are they just marketing hype? Understanding the evidence is crucial. We'll also discuss how to make informed decisions about supplements. Consulting with healthcare professionals, reading reliable sources, and understanding your own health needs are key steps. Remember, your health is important and knowledge is power. By educating yourself, you can make choices that truly benefit your well-being. Supplements can have benefits. They can be a convenient way to ensure you're getting the necessary nutrients your body needs, especially if you have a busy lifestyle or specific dietary restrictions. Some supplements can fill nutritional gaps. For instance, if your diet lacks certain vitamins or minerals, supplements can help bridge that gap and support overall health. For example, folic acid is important during pregnancy. It helps in the development of the baby's neural tube and can prevent major birth defects of the baby's brain and spine. Omega-3 fatty acids are good for the heart. They can reduce inflammation and may help lower the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and arthritis. Vitamin D is crucial for strong bones. It helps your body absorb calcium, which is essential for bone health and can prevent conditions like osteoporosis. However, supplements are not a replacement for a healthy lifestyle. A balanced diet and regular exercise are fundamental to maintaining good health and well-being. It's important to remember that the FDA doesn't regulate supplements like it does medications. This means that the efficacy and safety of supplements are not always guaranteed. This means the quality and safety of supplements can vary widely. Some may contain harmful ingredients or not contain the ingredients they claim to have. There's also the risk of side effects. Some supplements can cause adverse reactions, especially if taken in large doses or combined with other medications. Some supplements can interact with medications. This can lead to dangerous side effects or reduce the effectiveness of your medications. Always talk to your doctor before starting any new supplement. They can help you determine if a supplement is necessary and safe for you, considering your individual health needs and conditions. Let's take a closer look at some popular and widely used supplements. Multivitamins are very common, but studies on their overall effectiveness are mixed. Fish oil, often touted for heart health benefits, has also been subject to conflicting research findings. Weight loss supplements, in particular, can be quite risky. Some of these have been linked to serious health problems and complications. Caffeine supplements can be dangerous in high doses, leading to severe issues. Even calcium, essential for strong bones, can be risky in supplement form if overused. So, how do you navigate the world of supplements safely? With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to make the right choice. First and foremost, consult your healthcare provider. They are the best resource to help you understand what your body truly needs. They can assess your individual needs and advise you accordingly. This personalized advice is crucial for making informed decisions. Choose reputable brands that undergo third-party testing. This ensures the quality and safety of the supplements you are considering. Read labels carefully, paying attention to ingredients and dosages. Understanding what you are putting into your body is essential. Start with a low dose and increase gradually, if needed, under your doctor's supervision. This helps to monitor any potential side effects. Remember, knowledge is key when it comes to supplements. The more you know, the better choices you can make. Stay informed and prioritize your health. A balanced diet and regular exercise are also important components of a healthy lifestyle.